If you've ever opened a Word document and noticed that the spacing looks too spread out, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to make it single-spaced in just a few clicks. Whether you're formatting an essay, a report, meeting notes, or any other document, changing the line spacing can make your work look cleaner, more professional, and much easier to read. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and decide whether you want to single space the entire document or just a specific section. If you want the whole file to use single spacing, the easiest option is to select everything at once. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. That highlights the full document, so any spacing changes you make will apply everywhere. If you only want to change part of the document, click and drag your mouse to highlight the specific paragraphs or lines you want to adjust. This gives you more control if only one section needs formatting. Once your text is selected, look up at the top of Word and click the Home tab. This is where most of the basic formatting tools are located. On the ribbon, find the line and the paragraph spacing button. It usually looks like a few horizontal lines with up and down arrows next to them. This is the menu that controls how much space appears between your lines of text. Click that spacing icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From the list of spacing options, choose 1.0. That is the single spacing setting. As soon as you click it, Word will update the selected text and compress the line spacing so the document appears single spaced. If the spacing still doesn't look quite right, don't worry. Sometimes paragraph spacing can add extra space even when line spacing is set correctly. In that case, you may want to check the paragraph settings as well and make sure there is an extra space before or after each paragraph. But for most documents, selecting the text, going to Home, and choosing 1.0 will do the job perfectly. This is especially useful if you're trying to meet formatting requirements for school, work, or any kind of official document. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how polished your file looks. And that's it. Your Word document is now single-spaced. It really is that simple. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.